Hey everyone, good morning. This is Hassan Akhtar and you're welcome to 50 Shades of Life. Today's lesson is the ah sound. As you can see here, ah as in hut or but or function or introduction. This is a beautiful sound, I would say. And the manner of articulation of this sound is a little tricky. हम उर्दू में चूँकि इसके मुकाबले कोई साउंड है नहीं, इसलिए हम इसको उस तरह पढ़ते भी नहीं हैं. ठीक है. What you do is you open your mouth suddenly and then you close it suddenly. Hut, hut, but it's not but. हम कहते हैं but I was saying. No, but I was saying that. Okay, this is the only sound I think in which we open our mouth so wide and then we close it so sudden. Function. But what do you mean? Okay, I bought a hut in the forest. So this is I'm repeating, you open your mouth suddenly and then you close it. Now we look at some sentences for further practice. But best of luck with your buying butter on a Sunday. I repeat it, but best of luck with your buying butter on a Sunday. Fine. The next sentence is, what is your introduction without the construction company? If somebody is working in a construction company and that is his introduction, and we're saying, what is your introduction without the construction company? Three sounds. What is your introduction without the construction company? I'm repeating it again. The beauty of this sound is in producing it exactly the way I'm telling you. You open your mouth and then you shut it down suddenly. Construct. But. What? But if you say what? No. But if you say what? No. What? But. Construct. Right? The last practice sentence is, I'll abruptly consult a therapist for my trust issues. Three sounds. I'll abruptly consult a therapist for my trust issues. Right? Trust and consult and abruptly. Right? So there you are. Practice the sound and produce it the way I told you. Remember again, your beautiful sounds means your beautiful English. That's it for today. See you next time.